Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad to have you here. So in today's video, while I'm enjoying the bulletproof coffee with MCT oil and doing the week 2 of the keto reset, I'm going to show you a quick way that I rely on to make the pomegranate powder that really helps with healing ulcers, healing any sort of digestive comfort, and also boosting the immune system and boosting the metabolism in order to aid in better weight loss and more energy to burn fat as well. So what we're doing here, we've deseeded pomegranates, removed the seeds and just stored them to be used later on. We've removed the rind and we are just focusing on the white pieces of the pomegranates, and I do apologize because the lighting here is quite bad, but yeah, we have focused on removing the white parts, as much white parts of the pomegranate as possible, the inside of the pomegranate, and just cut them up as thinly as possible and put them in the dehydrator on the lowest setting for about 8 to 12 hours. Now what that's going to do is it's going to dehydrate them, but still maintain their antibacterial, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory properties. And then once they've completely dehydrated, we will make them into a powder, and then we can use them in many ways. So one of the best ways where you can use them is you can encapsulate them yourself by purchasing the empty capsules, empty vegetable based capsules, preferably from Amazon, eBay, or iHerb. If you're interested, I'll link the brand that I get from iHerb with free delivery, and I've relied on that many times as well. So you can encapsulate them and use them as a treatment plan when it comes to healing ulcers, when it comes to aiding in weight loss as well. Another way is you can put them in tea. You can use them to make a tea infusion, a herbal infusion, but one of the best ways that I use is to also powder them up and mix them with raw organic honey. That way they will the honey will remove the bitter taste that's remaining from the pomegranate, the white part of the pomegranate, because they are quite bitter. So it's really hard to use them unsweetened. That's why I prefer either using them as capsules or using them in the honey. So I put them in a honey mixture and then just take 1 teaspoon before bed. Works absolutely great. I hope you give this a try. If you have pomegranate on sale, preferably organic, make sure that you do not throw the white peels. What do you do if you don't have a dehydrator? Well, easily you could actually do it in the oven. Just put it on the lowest heat possible, the lowest temperature possible in the oven for about the same amount. Once they're dehydrated, simply take them out, make them into a powder, and there you go. If you do not have the machine that makes it into a powder, you can just use the slices to make tea that way, just the same way. You might also want to add some fat burning ingredients such as ginger, such as cinnamon, such as cumin seeds. These also help to make sure that the fat burning effect is maximum. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do let me know if you're interested in more. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe in order to support us in making much more better quality content. And I do apologize because the lighting here is quite dark and the weather is starting to get pretty cold here, so I'm making sure to stock up on as much immune boosting ingredients and mixtures as possible, and I'll be sure to share that with you later on. Take care.